welcome and hope you enjoy this learning session. Sino naman dito ang telephone operators? Taas ang kamay. Okay, meron doon. Sa kaliwa, nag-iisa. Oh, dalawa. Saan pa? Let me acknowledge your presence. Saan pa? Wala na? So meron tayong isang front desk, meron dalawang telephone operators doon. O sino naman dito ang call center agent? Call center agent ng whatever company you're working for. Ayun. Nako. Alam mo, the call center industry is very dear to me. Kasi the most part of my career ay nandito sa industriya ito. Saan pong company kayo? Frank Food Service. So, saan kayo sa call center department, customer service department? In-house customer service department ng Frank. Okay. So, malamang po sa food service kayo, no? Yes. It shows Frank Food Service. Okay. Thank you. Sino naman dito ang, well, you're not call center agents, pero you provide customer service over the phone. Taas ang kamay. Ayun. Sige. Inbound. Sino dito ang inbound? Sa mga nagtaas ng kamay. Inbound. Ibig sabihin, papasok. Kayo ang tinatawagan. Taas ang kamay. Wala. Sino naman ang outbound? Kayo ang tumatawag. Okay. Sino naman dito ang no-bound? Walang tumatawag. Ba't di mo, araw-araw nakikiusap kayo, please naman, sana may tumawag naman sa amin, no? Okay, so excellent customer service over the phone. Sana po, sa loob ng 4 na oras or 3.5 hours kayo ay mag-enjoy. Ang aking pong brand na pinopromote ay EnterTraining or EnterTrainment. What does that mean? Because we try our best to entertain and train at the same time. So huwag kayong mag-alala. Dito po sa ating training, isa sa dalawang bagay o pareho lang po ang pwedeng mangyari. Unang-una, you have fun. At pangalawa, you make fun of me. So tingnan po natin kung ano ang mangyayari or both, di ba? Alright. And before we even start with how to, the competencies of becoming an excellent customer service provider over the phone, mahalaga po na alam natin ang anatomy ng isang customer service provider over the phone. What is anatomy? Anyone here who can define anatomy? Ayan. Nung ako po ay nagsasalita, kayong lahat ay nakatingin. Nung nagpaparecite na ako, iwas ang tingin. Okay, para may nagtaas ng kamay. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng anatomy? Let us acknowledge your presence from eCopy Corporation. Study of human body. Palapakan naman natin si Edna ng eCopy Corporation. Tama. The study of the human body. Pero in this concept, pag sinabing anatomy of a customer service representative, what does it take to be a customer service representative? Ano nga ba ang bumubuo sa isang magaling na tagapagbigay ng serbisyong customer? What's sa Tagalog word? Ang kalakal, okay? Ng mga customers. Anatomy of a customer service representative. So unang-una, tandaan nyo ito. We have internal and external factors. So tingnan natin. Kung ngayon pa lang, you have what it takes to be an excellent customer service provider. Unang-una, cognition. Anyone here who has ever encountered this word, cognition? What does it mean? Anyone? Ayan tayo no? Ayan po tayo, no? So, minsan po, tayo ay magbabasa. Alright? Mag-aral. Online, offline, dictionary, no? Pag sinabing cognition, yan po ay nanggaling sa salitang cognitive skills. Pag sinabing cognitive skills, any activity, any mental activity that requires thinking, ano pa? Understanding, ano pa? Conceiving ideas, yan. In other words, meron po ba mga HR practitioner dito? Taas na mga HR practitioner, wala. In other words po, pag sinabing cognitive skills or cognition, pwede ba humingi ako ng volunteer dito? Volunteer. Who would like to volunteer? Wala nagbo-volunteer. Okay, dahil Pilipino tayo, or most of us are Filipinos, ito na lang ang sasabihin ko. Who wants to volunteer somebody else? O, di ba? Hindi naman maraming tataka, di ba? Pilipino ka nga. Ay, ang ganda naman. Background, salamat. Okay, may you please stand up? Sige, magtulungan tayo, no? Para maging maganda ang ating experience. Pwede ba humarap pa sa kanila, sir? Yan. Tingin. Wow. Does he remind you of somebody? No. Maybe you would know if I sing this song like his background music. God gave me you, shiny Sorry, hindi ko naman lyrics, no? Okay, Alden Richards. Alright, pwede bang tumuro ka dito sa sentido mo? Yan. So kapag HR practitioner ka, alam mo to. Kapag nag-develop tayo ng mga tao, at tayo rin, para maging magaling tayo sa larangan ng pagbibigay ng customer service, kailangan hinahasa mo to. Ano ito? Utak? Tama. Okay, pero anong English na utak? What is the other way of calling brain? It starts with letter K. Sino nagsabi nun? Sino? Bigyan ng jacket! Bigyan ng jacket! Okay, palakpakan naman natin si sir. Thank you. Alright? May you please sit down? Sige, isa pang volunteer. Tama. Knowledge. Mamaya, we will get into the details of what cognitive skills are for. Sino ba volunteer? Volunteer to volunteer somebody else. Taas ang kamay. Okay, Camille. Sorry, but you've been volunteered. Could you please stand up? Stand up? Sorry. She's already standing up. Alright. Okay. Pwede bang tumuro ka sa iyong mga kamay? Yan. Galaw-galawin mo. Ito ay kulang kapag wala nito. Very good. Ang talino mo. Anong grade mo sa nung college? Alright, ito pala. Sorry. Yan. What's your name? Irish. Thank you, Irish. Tama. Skills. And in relation to skills, makompleto lang yung ating mga internal and external factors or foundation for the anatomy of an excellent customer service provider. Pakita natin yan. Everybody, please say it. Competence. Importante yan, no? Pero alam mo, marami sa atin, maraming alam, ang daming kayang gawin. Ang galing. Very skillful. Very knowledgeable. Pero wala silang isa pang elemento na kailangan natin para buuin ang anatomy ng isang excellent customer service provider. Sunod na volunteer. Come on. Sunod na volunteer. OMG. Why are you guys, have you eaten anything this morning? Right? Are you in a good mood? Right? Are you really here or your body is here but your presence is somewhere else? Nag-astral projection po ba tayo? Nagsimula po tayo sa Zumba pero hindi po ito paranormal activity. Okay? Alright. Next volunteer. Kung wala mag-volunteer, ako mismo ang tatawag. At syempre sa mga ganito pagkakataon, wala kang magagawa, mag-i-stereotype ako. Tatawagin ko si ma'am, kasi po siya ay nakasalamin, at pag nakasalamin mukhang matalino. Ma'am, may I have your name, please? Marivic. Okay, Marivic, puro ka ganito. Ang dami mong alam. Puro ka ganito, napaka-skillful mo. Pero ano kaya ang kulang? Pwede ba pakituro yung puso mo? Ano yan? Heart. What does heart stand for? Love and sincerity. Yes, alam ko po ito po yung romantiko at hugot queen, pero hindi po yan ang hanap nating salita. It starts with letter C. Pero, no. Pero doon sa KS na sinasabi natin, yun ay very good. Ano ang iyong pangalan? Smile? Smile. Okay, but she's not smiling. Could you please give justice to your name? Ang hirap na, no? Ang hirap kaya, no? No, pagkakasalanan ng magulang mo, tinatawag ka ng mga pangalan, no? Ang tawag sa'yo, Pogi. Pagtingin mo, di pala, Pogi. Pogita, na? Ang tawag, smile, pero hindi siya nagsasmile. Yes, so, attitude. Knowledge, skills, and attitude. Kaya, Character. Yan. Pero guys, alam nyo, hindi lang puro knowledge, hindi lang puro skills, hindi lang puro attitude. May mga empleyado, katulad nyo, may mga customer service provider na you think you are the best. You think you've been developed to be the best. Pero may kulang. Bakit kaya parang hindi tayo nag-enjoy? Bakit kaya parang nag-resign tayo every now and then? Bakit kaya nag-job shift tayo from one company to another? Bakit kaya parang